Hey Siri, you know what to do. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the new studio tour 3.0. It's the studio. So over here we got the little bit of an entertainment center, you know what I'm saying? This is our little charging center where we're charging all the Osmo and all the batteries. Over there is our old Super Dinosaur TV where we watch the Super Bowl games and all the stuff, you know, where me and my girls chill. That's my mom's eyebrow chair. She does eyebrow threading, so you know,
hit him up. You already know.
Hit me up, bro. She's popping all the time. We got a bunch of chairs for the customers. Got a swing, because Indian people love swings, bro. I'm not even kidding, bro. I'm not even kidding. This is my little storage area over here. I got these studio speakers that broke on me. Mackies. Don't buy them. I just ordered Rocket KRK 6s, so they should be coming in real soon. Unboxing coming somewhat soon. So over here we got our product table where we take all our pictures of our products and have a little dolly shot going. Me and Chad built this on our own with the help of his dad. You know, got these weights over here to balance out the rumble of the dolly. We got another dolly over here that we always put our GH5 on, and then we just slowly move it. A bunch of junk like this, all these tools, because you never know when you're gonna need all this Windex. You know, you know, pull up on me, boy, I'm gonna blast you. We got a bunch of old lights over here that we use to light that stuff. Matter of fact, let me just turn it on for more lighting, you know what I'm saying? Bang. There we go. See? All these lights, and we even have the other aperture light that's behind you, but we'll get to that. I usually turn this light off, but I'll leave it on for the video. Here is our Busta-Bust trash, as you can tell. It's kind of getting full. I should take it out, but I'm too lazy. Over here we got a bunch of products that well, not products, but just things that are tools or lenses that I have.
Cables, like a bunch of like random accessories.
Super old SLR camera film. I have no clue how to use this. I just got it for the lenses. HDMI cables. Yeah, a bunch of things that just need some place to be put. We got these old vintage lenses from my dad's boss. Really cool, really nice. Interesting to see all these vintage lenses, and I also got an adapter for this right over here that I'm gonna adapt to the GH5 so I can get some super unique looks on the next music video. Over here we got the product wall where we hold all of our products and stuff like that. As you can tell, it's kind of getting full. We need another wall or another rack or something, but
I like racks.
Over here we got our tripod. Great tripod. I'm gonna do a review after using it for a little bit.
Yeah, if you guys haven't seen the mini Busta-Bust.
Yeah, if you guys haven't seen the mini Busta-Bust. Did I do one of the tripod? No.
Oh.
I didn't do one of the tripod. I did the light stand, boy.
Oh.
We don't.
The light stand. Yo.
Over here, you know, we got these chips because your boy's hungry all the time. I look skinny, but I'm actually fat. I got this clamp over here because this is what we use with the selfie stick and an iPhone to get the top-down view.
Yeah, you already know. It's Busta-Bust.
It's Busta-Bust, but it works, you know what I'm saying? So for you guys that are really struggling with overhead views and all that stuff, super simple.
Dynamic angles.
Exactly, man. Like over here, I got this drop ceiling. I just open that up, put it on the stud, and it's super simple. So it's all about just creativity and working with what you guys got. Over here, I'm also gonna transform this area over here into a overhead product usage table. So if I ever want to teach you guys, I don't know, how to use duct tape, Just have overhead hanging from here, and then just showing it, showing my hands use it. A bunch of cables and stuff over here. We got the Beast, the Aperture Light Dome, 120D. Wait, this is the Aperture Light Dome. This is the 120D light. This softbox comes separate, but it is definitely worth it.
It's like a dynamic duo. You can't like separate
Exactly,
it.
bro. It's like us. You know what I'm saying, bro?
Oh, 100%, bro.
This light really, it was kind of on the pricey side, around like $800, but definitely worth it. We got the light stand. If you guys haven't seen the mini Busta-Bust on these and why light stands are really important, or at least why cheap light stands are garbage. Wait, does that even make sense? No. Why you should never buy cheap light stands. Check that out over that way. All the products that we've reviewed and everything will be linked down below, along with all of our social media and all that stuff. On the My Kit, that's where everything is. So click that and it'll take you exactly where you need to go.
Yeah, this is why you shouldn't underestimate like light stands.
Yeah, this is like for real. Like, let me just take you back over here real quick. That I put on the new light stand, but here is the only old light stand that I got that came with these.
That's the only light stand that we kept because
like just look at this. See that shake? See that shake? So that's why having a good light stand is important. Check out that video. Let's see, over here underneath this down here, we got our travel stuff. We got an Aperture bag. Really awesome company. I really love everything about Aperture. We got our messenger bag for our laptops and stuff. We got, I don't know what that is. We got a light stand bag. Got another light stand bag. And we got a tripod. And we got another extra light stand. Behind you guys, we have our planning board. I'm just really lazy, and I haven't mounted it up on the wall yet, but it will come soon. Behind this, I have a whiteboard to bounce light off to get, you know, some nice fill light. This is all you really need, ladies and gentlemen. You just need some super cheap white cardboard to get some decent fill light.
Yeah, bro. Like we picked that up at like Walmart. Like it's
like
a trifold board.
$2, bro. $2.
Super cheap.
You know, I might make a video about how to do like boring. Over here we got the studio. Over here, as you guys can tell, beautiful studio.
As the sound gets a little bit different, you guys can probably tell.
I got all this foam from Foam Factory. The link will be down below too. I got the 2-inch foam instead of 3-inch because I thought that 3-inch would be kind of overdoing it, maybe for the small area. Got the studio mic. You best believe I got that over here. Yeah. Got a Rode NT1, amazing microphone. I really love it. And plus it's black and it matches everything else. I have it mounted on this clamp that my dad helped me out with. Along with that, this is all mounted on those producer choice blankets right over here, like this. These are noise canceling or noise absorbing blankets, and these are all on these PVC like pipes mounted into studs. And these are small little strips of wood that we made like this whole upper rack thing on. Really awesome. Around, as you guys can tell over here, we got all of our like LED light strips, our LifeX Z strips. Review coming soon. I will say one thing about these light strips: they don't have a good
adhesive on the back of them. They
really fall apart all the time. So I tried hot glue, Gorilla Glue, adhesive spray. Like, tell me what I've done everything. The only thing that really worked out so far are these small little heavy duty and industrial Velcro strips. So I have them like all over the place like that, and they worked out very nice, except for sometimes. Yeah, they go all the way around, super nice. This is my desk that we got from Office Max. I love this desk, super nice. Sometimes I don't like the light being reflected onto here and hitting the top-down view, but you know, eventually when there's a bigger budget, we'll get a new one. Over here, I got this little futon thing that kind of like opens up. That's where I keep all the junk and wires, and I have no clue, like PlayStation games, controls, stuff like that. Over here, this is kind of messy. I'm sorry, guys, but I got my little Akai Mini MPK. I got the feng shui, you already know, that's where I keep the sucker. I got a measuring tape, because why not? Lightning charger, and the cable for the Akai, and the fidget spinner, because you already know. Busta-Bust or not get stressful sometimes, dog. Over here, I got the Destiny Edition PlayStation 4.
You got the PS Triple.
Chad Warden. My sister got me this for my 18th birthday. Really happy. She's pretty dope, not gonna lie. Sometimes she comes through.
That's probably the only cool thing she's done for you. Yeah.
Got the remote for the TV, the Panasonic TV. It's super old.
The Busta-Bust TV.
Super old dinosaur. I am working on getting a monitor for all the editing. Here's the MacBook Pro 13-inch that I have not done a review about yet, but we will. The unboxing is over here that way.
The unboxing for the 15-inch.
Oh, the 15-inch. Yeah, that's Chad's version. Mine's a 13-inch, sadly. Got a Satechi over here, USB-C hub that does amazing work for the MacBook Pro. Honestly, there are a lot of USB-C hubs out there, but I like this one the most, mainly because it has an Ethernet over here. You guys can't tell, but when we upload, I always like to put it through Ethernet. I still have to run an Ethernet cable from over that way all the way over here, but I'll do that on some free time. Here's my preamp, my Focusrite Scarlett. Great preamp, does amazing for a budget. I do want to upgrade down the road, but preamps are pretty pricey, bro, not gonna lie. Here is the studio chair that we got from IKEA. Chad got one too, but he got a different one.
I got the Marcus.
Yeah, the Marcus. I like this one because it's white and you can really see the contrast. You can also like see the light bouncing off of this, or light absorbing onto this. Is that what that's what white does, right? Nevertheless, it's really nice, really comfy. I just wish the back would kind of tilt it more, but
Stands out amongst the stew.
Exactly. Funny story. This chair is the reason why we came up with Busta-Bust or not. We were trying to look for really nice chairs, which is really hard to do when you have a budget. Like, there are great chairs that are like $800, but there are not many great chairs that look good, that feel good.
Under 100.
Under 100 or 200. So we were going constantly looking for this, scouring the internet, went to IKEA, all this stuff. We finally settled on a couple at IKEA, and this was one of them. But amongst our time finding the chairs online, we were just sending pictures back and forth of like different chairs. I like some, Chad likes some, all this stuff, and we're like, bro, that's garbage, bro. That chair doesn't look right. That chair doesn't feel good. Like, you could tell it's not made out of cheap stuff. So instead of saying all these problems, we just came up with the brand new term, Busta-Bust or Busty, and we just started using that, and we just kept calling everything Busta-Bust, or that's a busty chair, or that's real Busta-Bust. So when it came time to have a tech review, we just thought that name was really fitting, and that name just, you know, makes so much sense, especially with our experience with buying chairs. I did want to say over there we have a newer newer, like, I'm not saying it's newer, it's like literally the name is newer mic stand, real cheap. I wish I got a better one, but
yeah, it's just like the light stands. You can't go cheap.
Yeah, like, you really can't go cheap with this stuff, especially when you're holding like a $400 or $500 microphone. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I will get one. But the next one is like Rode makes a light microphone stand, but it costs like $100. I'm not trying to drop $100 on these. I got these LifeX bulbs. Let me turn this sucker on. You know, this Face ID's rarely working half the time. No, I'm just kidding. Face ID usually works, but when I want it to work, it doesn't work.
Yeah, bro, 8 out of 10 times.
Yeah, 8 out of 10 times. Is that what I said in the video?
Yeah.
See, here we go. Here's the light. Let me balance the color. There we go. So it's matching this now. I love these lights. I don't even know what to say about them. They're bright enough. They're great enough. They usually work pretty decent. There's sometimes where they kind of have a little bit of hiccup, where if they're not connected to your Wi-Fi, it's not great. But the reason I like these more than the Philips Hues is because these are brighter and they have more color, more contrast.
More color range.
Exactly. If I wanted like red, I forgot what crazy number they had, like a million different color combinations or something like that. We have it on the LifeX video, so if you guys want to see more about these LifeX videos, check it out that way. Yeah, I love red, especially blue. Or if I wanted to like do multiple different things, like let's say I want half of the color strip in the back to be blue and the other half to be like a different color, I could just do, boom, I could do red, or I could have it blue and stuff like that. So it's nice. Sometimes it is a little bit laggy, as you guys could tell, where just sometimes the Z strip doesn't have great connection. I don't know what it is with that, but the light bulbs themselves are actually pretty good. Like if I ever wanted to change them instantly, I could just boom, 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 boom. It's nice. I love them.
Yeah, the cool thing is, since it's like the same brand of like the strips around with the light bulbs, they like communicate to each other. So like it's not like it's two different like companies.
Exactly.
Light bulbs, so
That's what I love so much about that. Oh yeah, I forgot the most important part of the studio. We got a personal studio bathroom. You already know, super nice. I don't know. This is one of my favorite parts because that way I don't gotta run upstairs to use the bathroom. We also got a shower right over here. Don't look at the curtain. That's my sister, you know. Yeah. So when I'm like gaming over here, I can just use the bathroom and then come right back. Did a lot of talking, man. So ladies and gentlemen, that is our studio tour 3.0. If you guys were wondering why we call it 3.0, it's because I moved the studio about 3 times so far. The first time is when I first got all my stuff. The second time is when I got the table and all nicer equipment. And the third time as well right now. So I'm really proud of everything that we've done. Thanks to you guys, we got a successful tech review channel. I think we're at 72 subscribers.
72 subscribers at the making of this video.
Exactly. All you people that keep buying from our affiliate links, we really appreciate you guys. I know some of you guys, like anytime you guys want to buy something, you guys just click our links and then just look up what you guys want to look up because, well,
that works too.
Exactly. It works exactly just like that. Yeah, we really appreciate you guys, all our Instagram followers, all of our YouTube subscribers, all our Twitter followers. Is that right? Followers.
Yeah, we just passed like 800 or so
on Instagram. Right? Yeah. Yeah, it's because of you guys that we're able to get all this stuff, and we just want to say we really appreciate you guys. If you guys like this video, please comment down below what your favorite part about the studio was. Comment down below if you guys have any of this stuff and what your experiences are.
And then if there's anything out there to improve it,
exactly,
definitely let us know.
Also, leave a like. It really helps me out. Share this with people. Be like, yo, check out this dope studio. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good one.
You already know, this is the furnace. It's colder in here than in the stew, so we're not really interested in it.
Yeah.